Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you could join me today. Today we're going to be making a simple Ghanaian breakfast. It's called rice water. So that's just all it is, rice and water. And so I'm going to use a cup of rice. You're going to need 5 cups of water. This is 4 and this is 1. And then a 1/4 teaspoon salt. After you cook, put this on the fire. When it's done, we're gonna add either sugar or honey, depending on what you like. A little bit of carnation milk, and if this is the peanut is optional. If you want it, you don't have to put peanut in it, but it's optional. It makes it taste good. So I'm gonna wash the rice and then put the water and the salt, and then I'll put it on the fire for gonna be for 25 minutes. And then you're gonna cover it. When it boils, it's gonna boil over, so you have to cover it. When it boils, then you remove the lid. Okay, so you want to put the lid on till it boils. After it boils, we're gonna take the lid off. So as you can see, it's boiling. So now we're gonna take the lid off. I'm gonna let it cook. So our rice water is cooking beautifully. Every once in a while, come and stir it. So it's been about 25 minutes and our rice water is done, ready to be enjoyed. If your kids tell you that they're tired of eating cereal or the same breakfast, maybe try this, they might like it. Okay, so our rice water is cooked beautifully. You can either add honey or sugar. I'm gonna add sugar. So I'm gonna add 1.5 spoons of sugar. This is not a lot. You can add honey. You could add fruit if you wanted to. And then you mix it together. You take your evaporated milk, and then you add a little bit to it. Mix it together. It's delicious. And then at this time, the peanut is a choice. You don't have to. If you want to add some peanut to it, you can add it. It makes it taste real good. So there you are. It's your rice water. A popular Ghanaian breakfast. Try it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Until then, bon appetit.